morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. I'm John. Behind me today I have a 2019 Ford Raptor. You're gonna see me smiling a lot during this video because I am obsessed with this truck. I think doing the review on this truck is a big mistake for myself because I really just want to buy it, no joke. The thing is beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys the inside of the vehicle. A lot of you guys that are new to the channel, you probably don't remember, but this whole channel started with a 2010 Ford Raptor with the 6.2 liter, modified as always. You know, you guys know how I always do. I have a soft spot for these Raptors. I'm a huge Raptor fan, and I just can't wait to review this and show you guys the interior on this thing. Again, guys, it's absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and get started. Huge shout out to the guys at Smithtown Ford in Long Island, New York. I have all their contact info on the screen. They got this brand new 2019 Ford Raptor available and a whole bunch of other Raptors on the lot also. So go ahead, if you're looking for a Raptor or any other Ford vehicle, make sure to give them a call and let them know John from JMCRIDES sent you. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and first start out with the tires. We have 35-inch tires. These are the BF Goodrich All-Terrains in a 315/70 with a 17-inch wheel. Let me go ahead and just give you guys a little side shot so you can see, get a better idea of how the wheels look. The exterior color on this vehicle is called magnetic. It really doesn't get much better than this, guys. As far as pickup trucks are concerned, when it comes to Ford, you really can't, you can't beat the look of a Ford Raptor, especially the new generation on the Ford Raptor. They look absolutely beautiful. Let me go ahead, I'm gonna turn on the headlights and the daytime running lights. You can see what they look like, but right here you can see the nice little outline on these lights. All right, hopefully it shows on camera. You can see I have the parking lights on right now, so you have that little amber LED lighting on the edges. You got the standard 3 amber lights in the middle. That's an actual due to a regulation due to the width of the vehicle. All right, guys, let me give you a look at the new shocks for the 2019. Yes, this is actually a new feature for the 2019 Raptors. There were a few changes for the Raptor for 2019, one of them being the shocks. Shocks are now electronically adjustable as you're off-roading. It kind of sounds a little similar to like the magnetic suspension. They just go ahead and they start adjusting themselves depending on the terrain, and they also have like a built-in feature to try and prevent like bottoming out on the shock. Another new feature for 2019 is also the Recaro seat. It also has a new feature, which is a trail management system. This is kind of like, think of it as a cruise control while you're off-roading. It works up to 20 miles per hour and it handles the braking, the gas, all that for you. So if you're like kind of a rookie when it comes to off-roading and you're afraid and you're not sure how to handle the truck while you're off-road, that trail management system is for you. Personally though, I like going fast in these kind of Raptors. Let's go ahead and go around the truck so I can show you guys the rest of the features. This one has the power side mirrors. These are power folding side mirrors. You have your Ford Raptor steps on the side. These are steel steps. You can see how they put that nice little Raptor engraving in the side steps. You also have 13 inches of travel in the front, 13.9 inches of travel in the rear. As usual with most Ford vehicles, you always have the little keypad on the side. It's a nice feature to have. If you ever get locked out of your car, you can open it using the numbers on the side. Now let's go ahead and look at the truck bed on the back. You got Ford in huge letters on the back, let everybody know what's up. These tow hooks you'll definitely gonna need to pull out any other vehicles that are ever stuck. Now with this magnetic color, these black exhaust tips look really nice in the truck. Got dual tips on the rear. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the Raptor. I'll rev it up a little bit. Yes, I know, guys, it's not a V8, but you know what, at the end of the day, I'm a huge V8 guy, and the second I sat in this truck and I kind of did a little walk around, I fell in love with it. And even though it's a V6, you could always go ahead and modify the exhaust. Or you could even get crazy. Like, I mean, me personally, if it was my truck, I would probably go catless and make this thing sound like a Nissan GTR. This truck looks aggressive from any angle you look at. It doesn't matter if it's from the front, the back, the sides. It looks incredible. The tail lights look awesome also. Just like the lights on the front, you have that LED strip that kind of goes around the edges. Makes the truck look beautiful whenever those lights are lit up. Now let's go ahead and open up the bed in the back. Press the button, kind of just drops down slowly. So as you can see, this truck bed is already lined right from the factory. It's kind of similar to like a Linux type material, very nice. You got some tie downs over here on the side, got some lighting in the back. Let me see if this one actually has the step option. No, I don't see the step option on this one. I know on some, they have a step that you can kind of just pull out, make it easier to get in and out, but at the end of the day, anybody could kind of just, you know, hop into the back of one of these. I definitely want this Raptor. This thing looks so beautiful. Let's go ahead and look at the window sticker, guys. All right, guys, so these are some of the options that this vehicle has. It has the 802A package that's already included. 360-degree camera, heated steering wheel, inflatable rear, safety belts, LED light box, LED side mirrors, pro trailer backup assist, remote start system. You got the B&O sound system, voice activated navigation, and here are your optional items. Got your 17-inch cast aluminum wheels, the 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost. The twin panel moonroof is definitely an option that I would want. The Raptor carbon fiber package, I can't wait to show you guys what that looks like. Raptor technology package, second row heated seats. Now the MSRP on this Raptor is $71,605. Here's the info on the color: exterior magnetic, black interior leather. Here you can see how nice these taillights actually look. I'm telling you guys, from every angle, this Raptor just looks amazing. Now let's go ahead and take a peek at the engine compartment. Alright guys, so under the hood we have the 3.5 liter EcoBoost. This motor has 450 horses and 510 foot-pounds of torque. Give you guys a nice little look. Nice bold red letters. Such a beautiful truck. Now let's go ahead and show you guys that interior that I've been telling you guys about so much. Let's go ahead and start from the rear. As soon as you open up the doors, guys, you just get that nice leather smell. Smells amazing in this truck. Beautiful leather seats. I'm in love with this truck, guys. I'm not joking. Beautiful truck. Now check out the carbon fiber little trim pieces that the truck has. These all over the place. This is part of that optional carbon fiber package. If I was speccing out a truck, I would definitely get this. The carbon fiber has like a nice gloss type finish. Got your speakers in the door. You can see the other carbon fiber trim on the other side of the door. Here in the back, these are your heated seats for the rear passengers. You got your AC and heating vents also. Cup holder right there. We'll go ahead and pull this down. You press this little thing right here. This pulls out. You got your cup holders right here also. Now let's see how legroom is actually. All right guys, so that front seat right now is currently all the way back. And I'm over here, I'm sitting down, I'm sitting very comfortable. I'm 6 feet tall. Honestly guys, it's an extremely comfortable ride. Whether you sit in the front or the back, it's an absolute pleasure being in this Raptor. And even though you have these big tires, getting in and out of the Raptor, you have the side steps, you also got this little handle right here that makes it very easy to get in and out of the vehicle. All right, now let's go ahead and go into the front seat. This is my favorite part. All right, so over here on the door, you have the nice carbon fiber trim again, leather wrapped. You can see the nice stitching on the leather. Speaker on the door also. Nice little Raptor embroidery on the seats. Now this Raptor was actually just delivered to this dealership. This is why it's all wrapped in the plastic. But underneath the plastic, you can see you got the little red stripe right in the middle of the steering wheel. Nice leather steering wheel on this. The dash is all wrapped in leather. Nice stitching also that matches the doors. This is my sunglass holder. I'm already getting comfortable. You see me, you got my shades already in the center compartment of the dash. All right, so let me just show you where we have some more carbon fiber. The shifter's all nicely wrapped in carbon fiber, leather on the bottom for the boot. Now we got another carbon fiber lid. You don't see it right now, but watch. I'm gonna press this lid forward and it kind of just slides out. Guys, this is all carbon fiber. More carbon fiber over here on the passenger side. And the door trim piece also wrapped in carbon fiber. I'm gonna keep an eye out to see if I see any other carbon fiber anywhere else on this thing, but this Raptor is extremely spacious. It's such a wide vehicle. This thing is extremely comfortable, and it's taking so much willpower right now for me not to buy this Raptor. Love this thing. If you guys are even considering getting a Raptor, trust me, come down to Smithtown Ford, take one for a test drive. I promise you guys, you're gonna fall in love with this truck. It's absolutely amazing. It's definitely one of the nicest trucks I've ever been in. So now you have a huge center compartment right here. Let's go ahead and open that up so I can show you guys. Keep some pens or something like that over here on the door. You can see the space you have right here. You got your little spot for your coins and all that stuff. You can slide this out of the way, but it's a pretty huge compartment in the center. All right guys, so this Raptor is actually equipped with that double moonroof. First thing, let's open up this shade up right here. All right, and now we'll go ahead and press this button right here to open up that moonroof. It usually stops right around there, but then if you hit it one more time, it'll open up further back. And there you go. Also right here, guys, you have all of your light switches. This is very similar to like the S-Pod on my Wrangler, where you could pretty much hook up light bars, you know, winches, whatever you want to hook up to. You've got 6 of them already built in. Comes with the truck. I mean, what else can you guys ask for? All right, guys, so as if I wasn't already drooling over this Raptor, let's go ahead and we're gonna take this thing for a test drive. The Raptor has cameras all over the place. You got cameras on the front, the back. It's a 360. You could kind of get an idea. I'll go ahead and press it again. Anyway, guys, that's enough of showing you guys the interior. Let's take this thing out for a test drive to show you guys and give you my impressions of how it feels to actually drive this Raptor. And now the sun has gone down a little bit more, so now I can give you guys a much better shot of what it actually looks like when the lights are all on. Honestly, this is my first time in the second generation Raptor. Being like the first generation with the 6.2 liter, when I heard that they went to the V6, I was like, no, I don't even want to see it. And now that I'm in it, I'm drooling over it. All right, guys, so we're gonna try and get on it a little bit now when we get on this highway. See what it feels like. Guys, here we go. I mean, it would be great. I could just imagine what this would feel like on the sand, doing kind of off-roading. It just, the suspension on this is definitely better than the suspension on the first generation Raptor. Yep. And then for 2019, they also updated the shocks.
Been doing your homework on the car.
I'm obsessed with Raptors. Trust me. I don't want to get on it too much, guys, because we're almost at an empty tank too. Hopefully this camera angle works out good for you guys. We'll see. I'm just leave that right there. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and turn on the 4-wheel drive. We'll just go ahead and put it in 4 high. Should be fine. Yeah, so this is definitely going to be more bumpy, but honestly, for the amount of bumps that are on the ground right now, I mean, it's such a big difference between the suspension on a Raptor and something like the Rubicon. It's huge. But this is awesome. You guys have your own little, 4-wheel drive testing right in the back. Are you guys going to build out here or something too?
I have no idea.
You should just, make jumps and stuff for the Raptors. That's awesome.
I guess since you brought that part up, I was like, might as well just show that.
Definitely, man, that was a great idea. All right, guys, driving the Raptor was absolutely amazing. Now it's time to say bye to it for now, but I definitely do see a Raptor in my future. Such a beautiful truck. Now, guys, the old me, I used to go ahead and just trade in my vehicles, and I'm not doing that anymore. As you can see, I got the Rubicon, I got the Hellcat. I'm not looking to get rid of my cars unless I'm going to upgrade to, say, a newer Hellcat or Dodge Angel, whatever it is. But I want to have my off-roading vehicle, I want to have my race car, and I think now I need a Raptor. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I definitely enjoyed making this review for you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If it's your first time on the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. And again, if you need any Fords, check out Smithtown Ford, contact info below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.